Hydro-dipped carbon's better than real carbon? Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about carbon fiber. Now, of course, I'm sure you've seen a lot of the other videos. We do a lot of carbon fiber, but we have had this discussion before, and so we thought we'd shoot a quick little video on why is hydrographics carbon better than real carbon. So let's find out. So one of the first things to definitely look at is that you already have your part, whether it be interior pieces, exterior pieces, wheels, or even a valve cover like this right here. You can go ahead and get this part already dipped in carbon fiber, and there's no need to go back out and buy another carbon part. So for instance, we've already got this valve cover right here that we can go ahead and dip in carbon fiber and make it look just like carbon fiber. And just like that, you can already have a carbon fiber piece, because now all we have to do is we have to just rinse this off, do any minor touch-ups that may be necessary on it. If there isn't any, then we can head straight into the clear coating, and the customer can come and pick this up literally the day after tomorrow, or even within a few hours, depending on, of course, which type of clear that you're going to use on the product. Another thing to think about is you also have to have a mold for the part first, which means that your time frame is going to be exponentially longer, because it has to be custom made if they don't already sell a part that they've already made a mold for. So that can definitely extend your time frame compared to the hydrographics. As you just saw, it is very quick and you can turn them out a lot quicker. So of course, another factor in that is going to be the cost of the item itself. So for instance, we have these big block valve covers here, and if we were to dip these right here, depending on the shop that you take them to or anything like that, they could range for a dipped valve cover anywhere between $150 to maybe $300 would be a ballpark estimate, and that'd be per valve cover. Now again, there is tons of different prices, so I'm not quoting exact prices on who does what, but those would probably be a good general price on that right there. Now, take for instance this exact same valve cover in the real carbon fiber. A whole set is going to run you about $2,000 to $2,500. So whenever you're looking at $1,000 per valve cover for a real carbon fiber set, compared to you could be in this one for anywhere between say $300 to $500 with the valve cover and the carbon fiber itself, then it's definitely a really big savings whenever you get the exact same look of the carbon fiber that you want, but maybe you're just not getting the weight savings of it. And so if that's what you're looking for, the Hydrographics is definitely the way to go. So we've got these all finished up and clear coated. Of course, you saw as we were dipping, everything looked really good, but of course now we've got everything clear coated, and now we have the protection that we need on the valve covers, and they came out looking amazing. You can clearly see these look very good for the actual valve covers themselves, as well as if the customer is wanting a carbon fiber look but not wanting to pay the carbon fiber price, this is definitely a very great alternative, because this coating can still stand up to the engine heat if it's on the outside areas of like a valve cover or an engine cover or anything like that. So with something like this, this is where the carbon fiber with the Hydrographics is definitely a better option. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as let me know your thoughts on the hydrographic carbon compared to the real carbon. Which one would you choose, or do you have any other suggestions on why one is better than the other? So, of course, if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips on anything hydrographics related. Also, if you're wondering about any of the products that we used here, you can definitely check out the website. It has everything that you need for the hydrographics, including film, training, tanks, and equipment. Anything like that, it's all there on the website, so you can check it out. We're going to have links in the description below, so that way they're easy to find. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.